Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 30th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is down $2.09, 0.75%, closed at 275.61. Post-market, we seem to be up by 23 cents. So let's look at what we have here. So we are still above the support line. We are getting towards it. And if I do a little bit of a cut and paste here, this is the channel that we are currently in with Tesla. So this is a bull trend. The channels have different lifespan. We have this channel that started around mid-June right here. And we have the smaller channel, which is a bear trend within the bull trend channel. So right now we are in this bear trend channel. We have a red candle today. So we made a lower high and we made a lower low also. So we are still trending down. Interestingly, we have the 21-day moving average here, exponential moving average, and we touched it yesterday as a resistance, and we are coming down today also. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Yesterday, we came back down right here at around 272.70 and climbed back up. This means that this is also a resistance right here. And we came back up yesterday and we closed right smack on it. The stock could have bounced from it or gone through it. Today, we opened higher right here. So we opened quite high at 280.61. But then came straight down, still below this support line here. Then we came down also in the second hour, and then we still have this 272.70 as support, and we tried to go back into this channel right here. We succeeded at the candle that finishes at 230, then went sideways, and then look at how we went and tested this other channel resistance perfectly before coming back down. And all the while we were going back up, stochastic never went over 60. This is basically telling us that we should be going down to 272. And then the stock will have to make a decision. Is it going to bounce and try again? Or is it going to be weak enough that we are going to break this and go even lower? So this is something that we are going to have to take a look at tomorrow. So going back on the daily chart, stochastic at 8, super low stochastic, MACD, the two lines are getting close to the 0 line. We have the green line at 265. Once the two lines of MACD becomes under 0, then this is going to be a worse bear trend. Right now, it's just a pullback to this support line. But if we break under 0 here with the two lines, then we are going to start thinking of the stock breaking this support line. RSI is below 50, and also we had lost the MI. We have lost the MI. I thought I had done it, but I guess not. So we have lost the MI. So to summarize, this little downtrend is still in play, and it will stop being in play when we break this upper resistance right here. But right now we are even under this support that is now resistance because we are under it. There's no evidence yet that Tesla wants to really come back up. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.